Welcome to Philadelphia Municipal Court, located at 1339 Chestnut Street, or the Widener Building. There are 3 entrances to Municipal Court. We are currently at the Juniper Street entrance, on the side of City Hall. There are additional entrances on Chestnut Street and Broad Street. The courtrooms are located on the 6th floor, and petitions can be filed on the 10th floor. Come on inside and I'll show you around. Now we are on the 6th floor of Municipal Court. When you first get off the elevator, you're going to go through the security checkpoint. Please make sure to bring all of your items and put them in the appropriate bins. We're now going to go to the courtrooms. This is courtroom 2. The majority of small claims cases are handled here. This is what a typical courtroom looks like. As soon as you arrive, please make sure to have a seat and wait for your name to be called. When you hear your name, please say you're present in a loud, clear voice. Before names are called, a commissioner will come out and give a speech informing you of today's proceedings and what legal services may be available to you, including the lawyer of the day and the courtroom navigator. If you have any questions or concerns, please seek out the courtroom navigator. This is courtroom 3. The majority of landlord-tenant cases are heard here. There are 2 lists, one that starts at 8:45 a.m. and another that starts at 12:45 p.m. Please try to arrive at least 15 minutes early to avoid any issues with going through security. And now let's head on over to courtroom 4. This is courtroom 4. The majority of public housing cases are heard here. However, some landlord-tenant cases and petition hearings are scheduled for this room as well. It's very important that you check your paperwork to ensure that you are in the right courtroom. And just down the hallway, we're going to find courtroom 5. Courtroom 5 primarily deals with debt collection issues and hearings. And here we have our last courtroom, courtroom 6. More landlord-tenant cases are heard here as well. This is why it's super important that you check your paperwork to make sure you're in the right courtroom.